If you're looking for a way to supercharge your lead generation efforts and save a ton of time, using Browse AI might just be the game changer you need. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to use Browse AI for lead generation in a way that's simple but effective. Stay tuned to the end, because I'll also share how you can access a special extended free trial exclusively through a link below. Browse AI is a tool that allows you to automate data scraping from websites. This means you can gather valuable information from across the web, which is crucial when you're looking to build targeted lead lists quickly. Whether you're extracting emails, phone numbers, or company names from directories or scraping contact forms, Browse AI does the heavy lifting for you. So how do you get started? First, you need to create an account and log in. Once you're in, the real power of Browse AI comes through its robot feature. You create a robot that acts like a web browser and automatically extracts the data you need from specific pages. You simply teach it what to look for by clicking on the elements on a web page, and it learns to replicate the process. This feature is great for lead generation because it can target specific business details, such as company names or even more niche data points. For example, let's say you're targeting businesses in the real estate industry. You can use Browse AI to scrape data from real estate listings, pulling all the contact information of potential leads. Or maybe you're targeting SaaS companies. Browse AI can collect company names, emails, phone numbers, and other contact details from SaaS directories in minutes. Now, the beauty of Browse AI doesn't just lie in how it scrapes data, but in its ability to schedule tasks. Once you've set up your robot, you can schedule it to run at specific times and intervals, meaning you don't have to manually run the same tasks every day. This level of automation is perfect for lead generation campaigns that need to be done regularly, whether it's collecting new contacts from a particular niche or keeping your lead database up to date. One of the great things about Browse AI is its ease of use. You don't need any coding knowledge to start scraping data. Just point and click to set up your robots. This makes it a fantastic option for beginners or anyone who's not super tech savvy, but still wants to get serious with lead generation. On top of that, Browse AI integrates well with other tools, so you can easily export the data you gather into formats like CSV or Excel. Once your lead data is in the right format, you can plug it directly into your CRM, email marketing software, or any other system you use to engage with your prospects. Now here's the best part. You can try Browse AI for free through the first link below. Not only will you get full access to the software, but we've arranged for an exclusive extended trial period so you can test out all the features without worrying about time constraints. You'll be able to scrape as much data as you need and get comfortable with the system before deciding whether it's right for you. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how Browse AI can streamline your lead generation process. If you're ready to get started, click the link in the description and take advantage of our exclusive free trial offer. Remember, the sooner you start automating your lead generation, the sooner you can focus on closing deals instead of manually hunting for leads. So, if you're serious about taking your lead generation efforts to the next level, Browse AI is definitely worth a look. Don't miss out on the chance to try it for free and see how it can make a real difference in your business.